As a food microbiologist, I've always been amazed at people's belief in the 3 or 5 second rule. It goes something like this. If you drop food on the floor, pick it up within 3 or 5 seconds, then it's safe to eat. Okay, it might be just wishful thinking or a good excuse not to throw out otherwise good food, but it really doesn't add up. Bacteria and other microorganisms such as viruses are everywhere. So not only are they on the floor, but they're on our computers, our bodies, and even our mobile phones. And because we can't see them, we don't actually know where the nasty ones are. So in order to cause disease, bacteria must grab onto something. So this means they're incredibly good at attaching themselves to almost anything. This is particularly so with a lovely, moist piece of food. So this really means if you drop food on the floor, bacteria are going to be all over it in an instant. The longer a piece of food is on the floor, the more time bacteria have to jump on board. Likewise, the greater pressure applied to the food, the easier it is for larger numbers of bacteria to attach. And finally, the dirtier the surface, the larger the numbers of bacteria. So this means more chance of those bacteria grabbing on to the food that you've just dropped. Therefore, the best advice is avoid the risk, let it go, and don't be tempted to eat food off the floor or any unclean surface.